Dear students, now we are going to calculate the number of particles in different unit cells. Okay, so last class we studied different unit cell. One is called simple cube. Second one is body centered cube. The next one is face centered cube. Next one is n centered cube. So what's that? We are going to calculate the calculation of number of particles in unit cell. Number of particles means total number of atoms or total number of particles in a unit cell. Okay, so first what we can see, we can draw simple cube. Okay, simple cube. See here, when we draw the simple cube, 1, 2, 3, 4. So simple cube, only the particles are present at the corners. 1 here, 2 here, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. We assume the atoms, they are assumed to be spherical in shape. Okay, first what we have to see, when we see the lattice, so many, this unit cell, the unit cell is the basic thing. It is a simplest also, but it is a complete also. So we are arranging in 3-dimensional order. That means it goes on up or sideways like this one. You can extend, you are getting crystal lattice. So we are getting simple cube. You see here. So here one particle is there. Particle means just what it is a spherical shape. So first what we have to find out is 8 corners are there. Here you see here we have to understand this one. This is this shape, okay, round shape. Just imagine eatables, like laddu or something you can think. So this is round or which one, spherical shape. So spherical shape it is there, you divide into 2, okay, this is 2 half. Then you become which one, divide, again divide, you get 4. Again you divide, so how many is 1 you can divide, you will get 8 pieces. Okay, this is 1, this is 2, this is 3, this pieces, this area, this 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, just imagine it is a very big laddu, you are dividing it into 8 pieces. Okay, so 8 people are there, so 8 friends. 8 friends are there. So when you divide this one person will get only this portion. So how many portions are there? 8 portions are there. You get 1 by 8. Okay. Same manner, this sphere is here. But this sphere is in this in the cube. 1 by 8th portion only this cube will get it. Unit cell will get. So this sphere's 1 by 8 is divided by which one, how many? Only this unit cell. Then remaining portions are shared by other unit cell. That means we are taking only one simplest unit cell, or above, side, everywhere it is there. Suppose for example, you can see this one. If you take this one, what is happening here? Which one here? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, 8 are there. So in this 8, suppose 8 corners. So this, suppose here one sphere is there, one atom is there. So on that also one will be there, 2. Then here also one will be there. On that also one will be there. Same way, which one here is one? Above that also. So one atom is shared by 8 unit cells. Okay, so what is this one? First one, here how many corners are there? You see 8 corners. So number of points or atoms in a crystal, in a unit cell. Unit cell is equal to 8. 8 corners. Okay, next one. Contribution of each point to the unit cell. Is equal to 1 by 8. Number of points in a unit cell means total number of points. Total number of points here, see, this is 1, this is 2, this is 3, this is 4, this is 5, this is 6, this is 7, this is 8. Each one will donate 1 by 8. This also 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 1 by 8, 1 by 8 and 1 by 8. Okay, so what happens this one? So you see 1 by 8. So total number of atoms in symbol cube. Total number of atoms in symbol cube is equal to how many people are sharing? 8. So corners 8 points. 8 into 1 by 8 is equal to 1. So in symbol cube, total number of atoms present or particle present is equal to 1. Is it clear? Next one. Second one, we can go to this one, body centered cube. See, body centered cube. Second one is body centered cube. Number 2, body centered cube. Body centered cube. Body centered cube, BCC. In BCC, what is happening? Points at the corners. So number of points at the corners is equal to 8. So contribution of each point to the unit cell. Unit cell is equal to 1 by 8. So 8 into 1 by 8 is equal to 1. So in body centered cube, the particles, atoms or particles are at the corners also and also in the body center. You see here, this is a body center. Okay. The atom or particles which is in the body center, it is not shared by any other unit. It belongs to that same unit cell. So what you can see is one number of particles in the body of the unit cell. Unit cell is equal to 1, right? So total number of particles or atoms is equal to, this is 1 plus 1 is equal to 2. So in case of body centered cube, total number of atoms or particles are present is equal to 2. Okay, the third one we can go for face centered cube. Face centered cube. In face centered cube, how will you draw this one? This is here, you see, in face centered cube, so we can draw this one, 1 here, 2 here, 3 here, 4 here, right? Face centered. So here corners 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So corners 8 points. So what you can write is one corners is equal to 8 atoms. 8 points. Okay, each point, contribution of each point to the unit cell, contribution of each point to the unit cell, is equal to 1 by 8, is equal to 8 into 1 by 8 is equal to 1. That is common for everything, right? Now it is a face centered. So let us see 1 face, 2 face, 3 face, 4, then 5, then 6. Okay, just we cannot show that sixth one how it will be there. So this is the cube. One here, 2 here, 3 here, 4 here, 5 here, 6 here. Suppose I am keeping here, one is this side in the front, that can be shown or that can be viewed, but which is in the back side we cannot see that one. Okay, so that just we have written here this one. Okay, face centered. Just imagine, just you see here face. In the face, what is happening? Which one? 6 faces are there. For a cube, there are 6 faces. For a cube, there are 6 faces. 6 faces. Okay, each face, how many are there? 1 atom is there. So for cube, 6 faces. On each face, number of points. Number of points at faces. You can write here number of points. Number of points on the faces. On the faces is equal to 6. But you see here 6 on the face, 6 are there now. So this is 6. This is one face. Then here 1 atom is there, or particle. So the particle at the face is shared by 2 unit cell. So when you divide this one, this unit cell will get half, this unit cell will get half. Okay, that means 1 unit cell shared by 2. So this half belongs to this unit cell, the other half belongs to other unit cell. So when you take this one cube now, here also one other cube will come. So for this cube, 1 half belongs to this one, other half belongs to other one. So 1 atom is shared by 2. So each unit cell gets half. So number of points on the faces is equal to 6. So the contribution of points to the unit cell is equal to 6 into 1 by 2 is equal to 3. So total number of points, total number of particles is equal to this one plus this 3 is equal to 4. Okay, then third one, the fourth one is n-centered. N-centered, it is not in the NCERT book, but just here which one? N-centered. N-centered, it's better to know this one. N-centered cube. How it will be there? N-centered cube. Corners. So first one, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4. So this is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, then n-centered, any two opposite side, either it will be there here. If it is here, if it is not there, it may be here. So this also shared by other one unit, this also shared by other one unit. Okay, so face-centered corners, contribution of points from 8 corners. 8 corners is equal to 8 into 1 by 8 is equal to 1. Okay, here two are there, end 2, so end opposite end. Opposite end, how many is 1? 2 points. 2 points. 2 points. So 2 into 1 by 2 is equal to 1. So total number of atoms, total number of particles is equal to, particle is equal to 1 plus 1 is equal to 2. Okay, so now we studied 4 types of crystals, 4 types of unit cell, and how will we calculate the number of particles in each unit cell. Okay, so first one, in simple cube, number of particles is equal to 1. In body-centered cube, number of particles is 2. In face-centered cube, number of particles is 4. then in n-centered cube number of particle is equal to 2. I think now you understood this one. Okay, so now let us do some problem in next video. Okay, thank you.